all have financial dreams to achieve. For that, we work harder and look to save most of our earnings. But will that savings be sufficient enough to tackle the growing inflation rate? The answer is definitely no. We need to invest in investments that give us inflation beating returns on the long run. Let us now see, does investing in Max Life Platinum Wealth Plan protect your family's financial future and also help you achieve your financial goals? Let's analyze this in detail. Hi and welcome to holisticinvestment.in YouTube channel. We help individual investors like you to take the right investment and financial decision. Max Life Platinum Wealth Plan is a non-linked, non-participating individual life insurance saving plan. Now let's take a dive into its features, types of investment strategies, types of fund options, benefits, and also let's see its various charges along with its advantages and disadvantages. And then let us look at the IRR analysis, by which we would come to know that whether investing in this scheme will help you achieve your financial goals or not, and then compare it with the pure term insurance along with ELSS to get a better picture on the scheme, and also it will help us decide whether to invest in the scheme for our future financial goals. Now let's look into its features first. You can choose your premium payment term and policy term at your convenience. It provides you comprehensive life insurance coverage. You can opt for additional cover by choosing riders. Guaranteed loyalty additions and guaranteed wealth boosters enhance your base policy fund value. After the lock-in period is over, the policyholder will be given an option to reduce his premium up to 50% from the original annualized premium. As a policyholder, you have the flexibility to choose from 6 fund options and 2 investment strategies to invest in. Now let's talk about the types of investment strategies available in Max Life Platinum Wealth Plan. The systematic transfer plan. It allows the policyholder to duplicate the rupee cost averaging approach on the policyholder's analyzed premium. So first, the units will be acquired by Secure Plus, then on each consecutive monthly anniversary, units available in the Secure Plus will be progressively moved on to the Growth Super Fund. The second type of investment strategy is the dynamic fund allocation strategy. This strategy helps the policyholder to strike the right balance between debt and equity by rebalancing on yearly basis till the end of policy maturity. The fund will be divided between Growth Super Fund and Secure Fund in a predetermined ratio that varies according to the number of years before the maturity. Now let's see the types of fund options available in this Max Life Platinum Wealth Plan. There are 6 fund options, namely High Growth, Growth Super, Growth, Balanced, Conservative and Secure. So as a policyholder, you have the flexibility to choose the fund option catering to your financial goals and risk appetite. Since this is a ULIP plan, there are various charges under the Max Life Platinum Wealth Plan. The first one is premium allocation charge. The rate of premium allocation charge depends on the premium paying term and also the policy term. It ranges between 3 and 6%. There is no premium allocation charge from the 11th policy year onwards. The second one is fund management charge. For a high growth super fund, growth super fund, growth fund, it's 1.25%. For balanced fund, it's 1.10%. And it is 0.90% for conservative fund, secure fund and secure plus fund. For discontinuance policy fund, it's 0.50%. The third one is policy administration charge. This is a fixed charge of rupees 330 per month if chosen single pay and rupees 400 per month if you have chosen limited regular pay. The charge is applicable for 5 years and from the 6th policy year there is no administration charge. Now let's look into the mortality charge. The charge is unisex and is levied on the attained age of the life assured on the sum at risk, and these changes are guaranteed for the entire policy term. Fifth one is surrender or discontinuance charge. This charge shall be levied on the fund value at the time of discontinuance of the policy or affecting the complete withdrawal, whichever is earlier. There is no surrender or discontinuance charge from the 5th policy year onwards. Switch charge. There is no switching charges in this one. 7th one is premium redirection charge. A maximum of 6 premium redirection are allowed in a single policy year and they are of no charge. 8th one is partial withdrawal charge. At the end of 5 policy years, a maximum of 2 partial withdrawals are allowed in a policy year and they are of no charge. 9th one is rider charge. In case you opted for Max Life Partner Care Rider, a rider charge will be levied on the rider sum at the risk every month. The last one is miscellaneous charges. There's no miscellaneous charges in this policy. Out of all these charges, I feel that fund management charge and mortality charges are justifiable because they are essential to run the plan. But other charges like premium allocation charge and policy administration charge will only pull down your overall fund value. And if you see at other investment products, there are no discontinuance charges as well as surrendering charges. Now let's see what advantages does Max Life Platinum Wealth Plan offer their policyholder with. You can choose from 6 various fund options and 2 investment strategies. Guaranteed loyalty additions and guaranteed wealth boosters available in this fund will only increase your base fund value. Unlimited free switches, 6 premium redirections and 2 partial withdrawals after the lock-in period is over are allowed in a single policy year. Settlement option can be exercised during maturity. Now let's see the possible disadvantages in this Max Life Platinum Wealth Plan. No liquidity in the first 5 years of the policy. Loyalty addition starts from 6th year if you have chosen band 1 and from 11th year if you have chosen band 2. And wealth booster starts from 10th year only. After detecting all the charges, only the net premium will be invested. The loan option is not available, so it will be hard for a policy holder to achieve his short-term financial goals or for collecting fund for his emergency purposes. During the settlement period, the investor should bear the investment risk. So far, we had a basic outlook on Max Life Platinum Wealth Plan. Now let's see its IRR analysis and find out whether investing in this plan help us achieve our financial goals or not, or is it really worth investing in this plan. Now let's take assumptions so it will be easier for us to compare its returns. Now let us assume the age of life assured is 35, the premium payment term is opted for is 20 years, policy term that he has been opted for is 20 years, annualized premium is 2 lakhs and sum assured is 20 lakhs. Now let's see Max Life Platinum Wealth Plan IRR analysis. This benefit illustration is taken from Max Life website. If you see, under worst case scenario, its IRR seems to be 2.95% and under best case scenario, its IRR seems to be 6.85%. If you see, this is less than even bank FD rate and the return of 4% and return of 8% are also not guaranteed. So, it is better for us to look at other alternative investment option by which we can achieve our financial goals and give our family the financial protection we are looking out for. Now let's compare this Max Life Platinum Wealth Plan with a pure term insurance along with ELSS and see which could be beneficial for us in the long run. If you see, in a pure term insurance, the sum assured will be 1 crore, the policy term is for 20 years, annual premium is for 15,000, balance amount for investment is 1,85,000 which can be invested in ELSS. If you see, the IRR of pure term insurance plus PPF seems to be 6.46% and the IRR of pure term insurance plus ELSS seems to be 10.77%. If you see, the pure term insurance plus ELSS combo will yield you better returns than Max Life Platinum Wealth Plan, and the corpus accumulated in this pure term insurance plus ELSS will help you achieve your financial goals with ease. Now let's see the final verdict on Max Life Platinum Wealth Plan. It has the potential to generate market linked returns, but its inbuilt charges make them insufficient. There is liquidity issues for the first 5 years and there is no loan option available. So it can't help you suffice your emergency needs and short term financial goals. Potential return, it won't be able to generate inflation beating return consistently. So if you do not invest in appropriate asset class, then you are essentially allowing the inflation to take away your hard-earned money from you. So as an investor, we have to choose the right investment catering to our financial goals and our risk appetite. A detailed review on Max Life Platinum Wealth Plan is available in our website in the form of a blog post, the link to which is given in the description below. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for your detailed answer.